Are you and your spouse considering divorce but want a simple, hassle-free process? In India, mutual consent divorce is the fastest and easiest way to legally separate. But how does it work? What are the legal requirements, costs, and time involved? Stay with us as we break down everything you need to know about mutual consent divorce in India. A mutual consent divorce is when both spouses agree that their marriage is over and want to separate amicably. Instead of fighting a long legal battle, they approach the court together, settle issues like alimony, child custody, and property division, and get a divorce decree in a matter of months. To file for a mutual divorce in India, you must meet these conditions. First, you must have been married for at least 1 year. Second, you must be living separately for at least 1 year. And lastly, both spouses must agree that there is no possibility of reconciliation. Before filing for divorce, both partners need to agree on the following. Alimony or maintenance. Will one spouse support the other financially? This is not mandatory. Child custody. Who will get custody of the children? Joint custody is also an option. Property and asset division. How will bank accounts, real estate, and other assets be divided? And finally, liabilities, loans, or pending financial obligations. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process of getting a mutual consent divorce in India. First, let's start with step 1, filing the petition. A joint divorce petition is filed in the family court with all necessary details. Next, we move on to step 2, first motion hearing and cooling off period. Both spouses appear in court where the judge records their statements. After that, a 6-month cooling off period is given to reconsider. Step 3, second motion hearing. After 6 months, if both partners still want a divorce, they appear for the final hearing. If the judge is satisfied, the divorce decree is granted. Can the 6-month cooling off period be waived? Yes. The Supreme Court in the judgment of Amardeep Singh versus Harveen Kaur 2017 ruled that if both parties are sure they want a divorce, the 6-month waiting period can be waived. This means you could get divorced in just a few months. Before filing, make sure you have these documents ready. Marriage certificate and marriage card, address proof of both spouses, photographs of marriage, and divorce settlement agreement. Missing documents can delay your case. In such cases, a contested divorce must be filed separately. Why is mutual divorce better than a contested divorce? If both partners agree to separate, mutual divorce is the best option because it's faster, takes 6 to 12 months versus 5 to 10 years for a contested divorce. It's less expensive, no long legal battles, it's less stressful, no court drama, and it offers more privacy, no public accusations or unnecessary delays. Evidently, if a couple decides to separate, mutual consent divorce is the best way forward. It's quick, efficient, and avoids unnecessary legal battles. Make sure to get proper legal guidance and have everything in writing. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, share, and subscribe for more legal awareness videos.